Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Juliana. Today we're making smoothie. Yes, another smoothie, but with a difference. Today's smoothie, we'll be using wine, red wine, to mix with our fruits. And we'll blend everything together. Here I just added some ice cubes in the cup, and I'm adding my strawberry and I'm blending everything together. So this is my red wine. I'm adding 2 spoons of red wine. You could add 3 spoons. You could add 4 spoons depending on how you love red wine. Here today I'm using 2 tablespoons of red wine, and I'm gonna be adding it to our blended smoothie. So I'm gonna blend everything together. I used 3 tablespoons of red wine, not 2. That's 3 tablespoons of red wine. Enjoy your drink. This tastes really good. Bye.